Hi, I am Dr. Waples from Restore Medical Spa, and in this video we are going to be talking a little bit about the science behind using PRP for hair restoration. So what's happening to our hair as we age? Like everything else in our body, our hair is becoming damaged and stressed over time. And as that happens, the first stage of hair loss is that your hair will start to become thinner and what we call miniaturized. Instead of these big, thick, robust follicles, they'll kind of become smaller and thinner, fewer and fewer of them, until the point where all the follicles are actually dead when the skin is just shiny and smooth and there's no hair growing there at all. In that beginning stage, where the hair follicles are stressed, they're thinning, they're miniaturizing, but they're not actually dead yet, they're only stressed, that's the stage in which PRP can have an effect. So what is PRP? PRP stands for platelet-rich plasma. The way that we get it is we draw your blood, we spin it in a centrifuge, we take out the platelets, we re-inject them into the scalp. You can think of platelets almost, I think of them like little treasure chests. They are full of growth factors. They're full of all these proteins that stimulate our tissue to regenerate and regrow. And they're normally locked closed. And they circulate around in our blood and they're just locked closed and they're just waiting for the right opportunity. When your platelets are activated, when they break open, they spill all those wonderful growth factors and all those stimulatory molecules out into the tissue and make the tissue regenerate and heal. That's kind of the science behind it. So when you have hair follicles that are stressed, but not yet dead, we take those platelets, we concentrate them, we inject them around the follicles. The platelets basically say to the follicles, hey guys, it's time to regenerate, it's time to grow. The hair follicles will respond by regenerating, becoming thicker, stronger, and it has a protective effect on those hair follicles. So we can regenerate the ones that you have, prevent any new loss. But if you wait until they're dead, there's nothing that anyone can do. So if that is something that you might be a candidate for, come into Restore, have a complimentary consult, and find out more about PRP for hair restoration.